steamed callaloo and saltfish. Yes. But this is ready. It's ready, guys. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to make some steamed callaloo with saltfish. These are all my seasons that I'll be using. And here's my callaloo. It's frozen. So our callaloo is already prepped. Callaloo prepped and ready. And this is our saltfish already boiled. Now we're going to with our bell pepper. We have 3 color bell pepper: red, yellow, and green. Optional, you use what available to you. I have these, so I'm using them up, but feel free to use what available to you. Now we're going to mince our garlic. First we smash them and mince. We have onion. This is optional, guys. I'm using a piece of tomato. And we're going to use some carrot strips. Yeah, that's what we want. Last, we have some thyme, and we're going to use some pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. Don't need a lot. Kids will be eating, so that's enough. So all our ingredients prepped. We're going to need black pepper, a bit of salt, and some complete seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. So we're going over to the stove. Now that our oil is heated, we're going to add our chopped veggies. Just going to saute this for 2 minutes, then we add our callaloo, add our thyme, then we add our saltfish, a bit of black pepper, a bit of salt if needed, and some all-purpose seasoning. Now we're going to add our thyme and our callaloo. I rather add these with the ice than to have it defrost, then add to the pot. Then the consistency will change if I do that. For me, this way is better. We're going to add some all-purpose seasoning. This all-purpose seasoning have a little pepper. I'm not going to use a lot. Or black pepper, and we stir. Cover this and let it steam, then we add our saltfish. I'm going to add a little we have some chicken seasoning, and we're going to put some complete seasoning. Then we add our saltfish. Stir well again and let this completely steam. This finished, guys. It's not green as our regular Callaloo, because this one was in the freezer. But this is ready. It's ready, guys. Finished dish. We have white yam, cornmeal dumpling, and sweet potato with our callaloo and saltfish.
And here we have come to the end of another video. Hope this one was helpful. So please like the video, share, drop me a comment below. And if it's the first time coming on board, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss future uploads. And to my returning supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you guys for always coming back and checking out my videos. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.